Hello, good afternoon. You know, hi, good afternoon. A strange place to record actually. So here I am at my workplace or site, right? So yeah, so welcome to 2026, and I feel a bit uncomfortable recording it. हे भगवान, मैं इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश क्यों करता हूँ यार, प्लांट में काम कर रहा हूँ मजदूरों के साथ। आई शुड अदर स्पीक इन हिंदी। हिंदी भी नहीं बचती यहाँ तो, खैर ठीक है। नो मीन्स और demeaning anything. Every language is fine in their own way if it is able to convey the message it meant to be, right? So here I am, and yeah, I do have a lot of things to speak. Yeah, really. But still, I do not have my thoughts coherent, right? So I do not know if I would be audible because there is a lot of noise out here of grinding machines, of trolley, of people out here, of factories nearby. But yeah, so currently I'm using a water tank as a stand to my phone, and I'm recording things. So do not know how much it would be, right? But of course I would be uploading it. I did made a recording a few days back, maybe a few weeks back, recording it on a street. But of course I did then uploaded it, or maybe uploaded it. But of course, yeah. So in case you end up watching this far, no one ends up watching, right? So just an empty place, right? So it's about 2 in the afternoon, and yeah, so I don't know, yeah, what the heck I am doing, right? Still, yeah, still it's a better place to record, right? क्योंकि देखा जाए तो I was recording on a building right there, so and someone in the morning so कि क्या बना रहा है, रील बना रहा है क्या? मैंने ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, just seeing camera and its perfect perspective. Yeah, it's relatively better because of course I am at a bit height, and yeah, so it's almost summer already. You know, it's strange, right? uh, I do at times. I feel I have a lot to speak, but yeah, but then yeah, I just let it go, right? ठीक है, चल रहा है मतलब. There are days when I want to run away, like I want to go to a new city, of course, to a metro city and start a new life. Maybe as adults in movies, in textbook, in stories do, like around people on my age, but then I feel my vision to be a little skewed, right? Because there are people around my age too working here also. Not everyone is out there dating, having a college life, or having a good corporate life, right? Even if I think so, I want it, and even if I get it, I do not think I might be excelling it, right? I would be struggling in it too, and of course the time is passing by. I'm almost 28, so this is quite a problem, right? हाँ, डो नॉट नो है क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं. Yeah, but ठीक है, it would be a nice recording. I personally believe it, right? I also wish I also think that it would be better that I should start recording in outside, because that wall in the room, it quite got monotonous, right? At least कुछ नहीं तो at least I should start recording at strange places. So yeah, here I am. So यार मतलब क्या कहूँ मैं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा. It's 5 minutes already, and if you end up watching this part, yeah, so it's a really that. Just recording his life. Maybe out of loneliness, maybe out of nothingness, right? But yeah, just as a figment of my memory. Maybe I'm looking someday. फॉर मैं अपने वीडियो नहीं देखता हूँ, लेकिन हाँ कभी कभी देख भी लेता हूँ. सो आई वुड लुक बैक इन टाइम एंड से लाइक दिस वॉज ऑल्सो अ टाइम एंड आई फील इनसिक्योर अबाउट थिंग. आई रियली विश लॉन्ग फॉर थिंग, और शायद वो नहीं थी. एंड मे बी someday ahead in time it would be, of course not in the way that I want, but maybe in other ways. And yeah, so अभी भी देखा जाए तो I never wanted to come to this place, right? In if I on a textbook, or if I like if one has to make choices on paper itself, I wouldn't have in any possibility have chosen this as an option. But yeah, life has its own way, and I came here, and it's almost like 16 months, like December. It was almost like 16 months, and despite the things that I like, despite the things that I feel I keep missing, I do enjoy here, right? I did learn to enjoy things, right? And I did learned a lot of things too, right? Maybe about life, maybe about humbleness, and in its true form, right? I and a lot about people who I always think I won't be able to be with, but then surprisingly I had the best of the combination with those kind of people. And yeah, I was dumb, right? Yeah. So पता नहीं how much this recording will go far. Maybe it would end up abruptly, someone end up calling me, and right, although people doesn't call me, and मेरी कॉल हिस्ट्री देखा जाए द ओनली पर्सन आई डू एंड अप कॉलिंग इज माई मदर, और मे बी माई फादर, or maybe even my or maybe just my boss for some sort of work. But other than that I don't feel myself recording anything. Holy shit, someone is just make the car in a reverse manner, way too fast, right? Yeah. So, yeah, a site, working on a site on an industrial project is quite a learning experience. Maybe a lot of philosophical things do also come with it when you realize how much things you have got in life. And maybe they are, of course, there are people who are working at much lower wages and much harsher and harder, and maybe, of course, not unsafe, right? I would say much riskier condition, and still they are doing for their family, for their own self, right? कहते हैं ना पापी पेट. So then so you come across all diversity of people, and of course being working here for almost like 50 months, yeah, that's how the thing goes, right? Rahul Nani, I can't keep recording strange sort of thing, right? Yeah. So we are, I guess, a few months late, and of course a few months in left to make it complete. Of what it would take time to get completed, but yeah, uh, the production would start slow and steady, and yeah, things would go like that. So अभी तक तो कोई बगल वाली छत पे आया नहीं. हाँ, उम्मीद करता हूँ ना आए, नहीं तो शी वुड बी सेइंग एंड ये पगला क्या कर रहा है. तो या इट्स क्वाइट हॉट, राइट? फेब्रवरी एज इट, एंड बीच में थोड़े दिन ठंडी हवा आई, थोड़े दिन बारिश आई, बट या इट्स क्वाइट हॉट. January was a nice month, and in last 51 days I had watched quite a good movie. मेरे हिसाब से इस साल का the only thing I guess as a highlight is the movie. Almost I have watched like 9-10 movies, right? And of course all of them were great in their own way. Yeah. बाकी ऐसा सच तो कुछ ज़िंदगी में चल नहीं रहा है. आई गेस वन स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन जॉब, कुछ बचता नहीं है. उससे पहले मेरी ज़िंदगी में चलता नहीं था देखा जाए तो. मैं पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि आई फील स्टक इन जॉब, बिकॉज शायद आई हैड इतनी ज़ोर से हवा चल रही है, ऐसा लगा माई फोन वुड एंड फॉलिंग फ्रॉम दिस। तो ये तो ठीक है, ये चीज़ें मैं बीच में छोड़ देता हूँ, मतलब आई स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग, आई स्टार्ट राइटिंग एंड देन आई से या I do have got quite a long hair, and yeah, I would of course कटवाने हैं। मेरे फैमिली पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं, और फॉर माई मदर वोंट, माई डैड डू, कि जल्दी से कटवाइए, छोटे छोटे बाल करिए, ऐसे बालों में भूत लगने लगा है। मैंने हाँ यार, तो आई वुड गेट अ हेयर कट ऑफ कोर्स as the summer comes, because yeah, it do gets a bit irritable, but of course I am trying to keep it long as far as possible. It do feel nice, right? um, Not trying to imitate anything or copy someone or just for anyone. Yeah, just I do like, I do also like short hair. I have kept little hair, so one should keep changing his look. I have nothing else right now. It's 11 minutes already, and I guess I have done quite a nonsense of a recording as always. Yeah, so I do not know what would be happening in the months that come ahead. My brother would be coming. Holi is around the corner, and he has graduate. He will graduate this next month, right? So yeah, it would be starting of new life for him too, and yeah. So, and we know that holidays would be a problem, right? Because नौकरी में इतनी छुट्टी नहीं मिलती, and even if they are on paper, there is a lot of work, especially in India. So we are overworked, I guess, but ठीक है, I am fine. Yeah. पता नहीं, ठीक है, I hope, पता नहीं, फॉर पार्ट ऑफ आई गेस मेरी यूट्यूब की अगर हिस्ट्री वीडियो उठाया जाए और पता नहीं यूज़ किया जाए, तो लाइक इट वुड बी सो मैनी, पता नहीं कि क्या ही कहें। खैर जो भी है, आई गेस आई शुड एंड दिस रिकॉर्डिंग। इट्स 12 मिनट 38 सेकेंड। है नहीं काफ़ी कुछ बोलने को, ऐसा नहीं है, मे बी ईयर एंड पे था तो काफ़ी लंबा बन गया, लेकिन ठीक है, अभी साल की शुरुआत है, एंड आई जस्ट होप दिस ईयर गोज़ फाइन, राइट? दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वीडियो, एंड मैं कहता हूँ आई वुड कम विद अ स्क्रिप्ट, आई वुड रादर स्पीक थिंग, बट या कुछ होता नहीं ऐसा। आई जस्ट कीप रैंडम व्लॉग्स, मे बी जस्ट एज अ रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ थिंग्स, ऑफ वेयर आई एम, just yeah. So it's quite a funny week, and funny week has come. Faint week of February last week, but yeah, I hope I do not do anything, any kind of reaction, because I know the things have melted down in past, and yeah, people have started their new lives too, right? People have become doctors, and yeah, do it hurt? Right. Feeling it unanswered, but yeah, can't do anything, right? Because mistakes is on our own part only. So yeah, I guess I should end this video. I can speak nonsense for another 10 minutes, like in bits and pieces, and pata nahi then, but it won't really be sensible thing. Do life make sense? I don't think so. Yeah, but we keep living it. मुझे भी लगता है, मैं आजकल आई वॉज सेइंग टू माई मदर लास्ट नाइट कि मैं ऐसा लगता है अभी आजकल आके कर क्या रहा हूँ। आई जस्ट कीप फाइंडिंग डील ऑनलाइन एंड स्टार्ट और कीप ऑर्डरिंग थिंग एज अ मैनिएक, लाइक शोपो मैनिएक, एंड पता नहीं, तो दैट इज़ नॉट गुड, राइट? आई नो, तो maybe just an escape from things I do not like, and maybe just just compensating for my lack of social life. क्या कर सकते हैं? Not all opportunities come at all places, and but yeah, you have to keep trying. And because as I was thinking that courage sorry, I feel having lack of courage for a moment is fine, right? But having lack of courage for everything is like pretty handicapping, and it just becomes normal for life, and then it just makes like hell. We personally feel like we are handicapped, locked in something, and that's terrible, right? One is already failing if he's not trying, so one should try. Trying then failing, it would be always a much better thing. At least you would have an experience, and that pain and that guilt, that heaviness of not trying is much heavier than the trying of fail, and then an attempt that end up in a failure, right? I have always felt that, right? So yeah, हाँ इट्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा विटामिन डी ले लिया आज मैंने, काफ़ी गर्मी हो रही है, एंड वुड बी क्वाइट अ टैनिंग टू, सो इट्स 60 minutes 15 seconds एंड आई शुड गो. पीपल हैव रिटर्न टू द वर्क साइड, लाइक 1 से 2 जब लंच होता है तो साइड बिकम्स प्रिटी साइलेंट. देयर इज़ नो वन. सब मजदूर अपना खाना वाना खाने चले जाते हैं. सो आई डू हैव अ वॉक, बट ऑफर गर्मी होती चली जाएगी, तो या आई वुड एंड अप रिड्यूसिंग इट टू. And I do not eat anything on as lunch as such, because जब कभी छोटा मोटा खा लिया, आई जस्ट ब्रिंग अ फ्रूट विद मी आउट ऑफ सीजन. जैसे अभी ऑरेंज चल रहा है, यूज टू हैव गुआवा, अमरूद बिफोर दैट. तो या सेब आएगी तो सेब खा लेंगे, है ठीक है. तो इट्स 17 minutes एंड आई शुड एंड दिस वीडियो. मैं एंड करने के क्या कह के ऑलमोस्ट 15-17 मिनट खींच लिया. ऑफ कोर्स आई शुड हैव सम कंटेंट if someone ends up watching and ends up being a viewer, चाहे कैसे भी देखें. तो yeah, ठीक है. I should end this video, and I wish you good luck. And if you end up watching this video, we aren't talking, but of course we do matter to each other. I hope we end up meeting someday, and I wish you good luck, and let's see how it all goes. Just keep trying, and fear won't end until unless you try and you succeed. Not everything would succeed, but of course few things would. So yeah, keep trying. I would also keep trying. I do wish to find a new job, but of course not at present. I do want to complete this thing first, because शायद यहाँ आना और इस चीज़ को इनकम्प्लीट छोड़ के आना, it won't be any, and it won't be the most sensible thing a person should do. And maybe the very reason I find myself having this job is that I end up knowing my surrounding much better than I used to. Like for almost 26-27 years, I never used to know this place, my hometown, how things work there, how do people live, and even my closest surrounding. But yeah, working here for last 15-16 odd months, and of course for next 6 months at least too, yeah, it had changed a lot of things. It had changed a perspective. It had made me knew a lot of things that of course I wouldn't have known at any time, right? So it's better if you end up knowing things around you, right? So yeah, so it's 19 minutes. I end up recording this video. So take care, see ya, and yeah, conversation could only solve problems, and if people try, they can make solutions. It is no pleasure of running away from things, because it won't solve anything. For myself, advice for myself. Right? Yeah, and take care, and yeah. Hola, amigo. See ya. Take care. Good day.